what I use for the base of the cake, it is this face paint, and it, believe it or not, this was white, but now it's a brownie disgusting colour, so please ignore that. This is the base of the cake, so basically cover your whole entire face like this, and then we'll get on to the sprinkles. Okay, so we're on to the sprinkles now. So the sprinkle colours I'm going to be using is green, pink and blue, and thank God they're in like the same symmetrical, that's not even the right word I'm looking for. Green, red, pink and blue. So the first colour I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using an angled brush. This is the perfect brush to doing sprinkles. So we'll go off with the green. So the first colour is done. Now moving on to pink. Pink's done. Now moving on to blue. So I'm going to do my whole entire face. So let's begin.
This town will never change.
I don't know what the hell, I don't know what cake I am, but I don't know why I'm doing this. I just done this because I'm bored. Oh my god, I've got white face paint. I might as well use it into good use and just turn myself into a cake.
I never learned anybody's name. We all vowed that we wouldn't stay.
I'm literally getting sick of these colours right now. Like seriously. I'm becoming into a cupcake, into a cupcake, into a cupcake. I am turning into a cupcake. My name is coming true. Where did that come from? This would be good for Halloween, but it's not Halloween now. We're in the middle of November. Next, we're going to do like a little dots on our face for the sprinkles. So we're going to start off with blue, pink, purple basically. What an awkward way to show my hand. Look at my hand. Look at my wrist. I'm not flexible enough to do this, and look what shirt, I'm wearing a white shirt and I'm doing this. I look tasty, don't care what anyone you say, I look delicious. I don't care what you say, don't care what anyone says. Edible. Okay, just a few more sprinkles. Alright, so now because we're a cake, we're gonna put the cherry on the top. So we're gonna put the cherry on my FOD. So I've got red right here, I've got black, then I've got white, but we're just gonna be focusing on the red. So I don't know, we're gonna use this brush, even though it's like covered in like white, so we're gonna clean it. Wetted the brush, it's now back to its normal self. Now we're gonna get the red. I'm just gonna make the cherry. Let's hope this works. Oh, it works, yay! But we're not gonna make the cherry too big because we need to fit like the green stalky thingy. Wish it was like a bit bigger so I can get like loads out. Okay, so I've finally done the cherry. Cherry on the cake, cherry on the cake. Oh, you guys can see that. The red sadly ran inside the black, but we don't need black today, so that's really good. When we do need black, then we will cry. But right now we don't need black, so we're all good in the hood. So next I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using this green thing here. And this is going to be like the stalky bit of the cherry, like the top of the cherry. You just can't see the red properly, so we're just going to try and make the red show up a bit more. Oh my god! Oh my god, that was completely by accident. Oh my god. I actually quite like it. Oh my god, I actually quite like it. Oh my god, cherry dripping down onto the... It's actually on my pants now, great. Stay there, thank you. Oh my god. That's completely by accident. Oh my god, how cool that looks. Like a drippy effect. I'm not going to do any more now because that was completely by accident. It's doing it again. Okay, because it's wet, it's like dripping down more. Okay, so hope you guys can see the cherry. Okay, I'm a little bit annoyed, but I'm not mad at it. It's okay so far. I'm a dripping cake with a tomato on top. I'm not mad about this. I'm just mad about this. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you like to, and comment down below if you want me to do more of this. Let me know what type of creation you want me to make next, and I will. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you all. Mwah. Bye!